All right. Dave here. We're out here on a Sunday afternoon, coming over to my cousin's house to spend the afternoon being today. Happy Mother's Day to the rest of the world. In the United States, it's celebrated on a Sunday, even though I think technically it's supposed to be on May the 10th instead of May the 9th, but it's always celebrated on a Sunday. We're here with my cousin Alberto. He came down from another part of the city, another part of the state of Texas, and my cousin's over there. He's cooking up the meat. He's real good for making good barbecues, and because we have some friends over, and we're here just pretty much just having a good time and waiting to see if the cabrito's ever going to come out or not. That doesn't look like it, but anyways, here's a quick video just wishing everybody a happy Mother's Day, and Sergio, you want to say something to the world?
It's all good in the neighborhood.
Whatever that meant. Okay, good deal.
All good in the neighborhood, man.
Your kids are probably going to see that one anyway.
Una Bud Light en la mano.
Well, I got water, so because I'm a designated driver. So,
Look at Crown Royal. This is the good shit right here.
that's punch for the kids. It's Kool-Aid.
Kool-Aid.
It's not Kool-Aid.
So, Dave, ¿cómo está, güey? How you been?
Done good so far. Been looking over, watching the field, making sure that the watermelon is growing healthy. As we gather around here with the family and friends, we cherish these moments because we're not getting any younger. We try to spend as much time as we can with our family, with our friends, and reminiscence of the past and the future.
You said I might pass fourth grade.
You don't have to go to summer school?
¿No me pueden mirar a la cámara o pueden mirar
Verónica, ¿necesita ir a summer school ese también?
No.
No. Qué
No
bueno.
me han dicho todavía.
Qué bueno. Este año están mandando a todos para summer school.
Bueno, no me han dicho.
Nah, ya te iban dicho. Ya te
Ya,
iban
no
dicho.
me han dicho.
Estuvo primer
O si
lugar
no,
en
te van
matemáticas.
a decir esta siguiente semana.
Oye,
Have y'all
no.
taken the math and the reading start test?
Actually, it's this week.
This week, right?
Yeah.
And then science is this week too, or you already
They're
took
all reading, math, and science.
it? Everybody has to go to school for those days. You can't take it at home. Ya los manos para la escuela.
I mean, you can skip it.
Can you?
Yeah, you don't need it to pass.
If you want to stay in the 5th grade, you can skip it.
Bueno, I want to say something. Quiero dar las gracias que me hayan invitado para este convivio familiar.
No es mi caso, pero...
El Día de las Madres es un día muy importante porque presenta a la persona que los dio vida en este mundo.
Mi mamá.
Gracias a mí, están aquí, cabrón.
And
Oye, no, gracias a mí.
Yo traigo el
No, me
abanico.
tenía que ganar.
David, of course, man, you're always invited.
¿qué?
Que si les traigo el abanico.
¿El abanico? Okay.
Me da una vez que gracias a mí.
Gracias a usted, mira las descendencias y las generaciones que va a dejar para adelante. Muy bonita familia,
Ah, sí.
preciosa la familia, completamente. Do you have a definition of what Mother's Day is? Instead of just saying, well, it's Mom's Day. No.
Yeah.
Do you have an exact
I got
definition?
it. It's Mom's Day.
It's what?
It's Mom's Day.
That's it?
¿Cómo está sentado? Mira.
No, there's more of a definition than just it's Mom's Day. It's a very special day.
No estás grabando, ¿verdad?
Yes. Yes. This is coming out on worldwide YouTube. That's why I asked permission.
Pidió permiso.
Ah, sí.
Y yo diciendo,
Oye, ¿sabes qué te dan?
¿y por qué la manita? Arréglate.
A mom, to my definition, is just not a mom. Just, mom's here,
¿Cómo se
mom's
dice
there.
primo?
Mom has always been the person that you can always rely upon. Even though your dad is always there, but your mom will always defend you to the end. To the very last breath of her life, she'll defend you. Because that's what moms are. Mom feels a special bond from both their kids, both their female and male kids. It's a special bond because that's what nature has it. Nature has a kinetic DNA attachment. That's why in today's society they always call kids, oh, he's a mama's boy. Yes, everybody's a mama's boy because we always feel closer to our own moms than I could trust to tell a secret to my mom than I can trust to tell a secret to my dad. It's always different. Because a mom will always be more intimate, más serio, she'll understand the feelings that you have. So it's always good, and it's always been tradition that we celebrate Mother's Day. It's always special in comparison to Father's Day. Sometimes Father's Day people don't even think, oh my God, today was Father's Day. Like
they forget about it.
Yeah, they forget about it. But Mom's Day is sacred. Mom's Day is exactly like the way the day that Jesus Christ was born. It's a very, very special and very sacred day. Because when you all grow up and you all find your girlfriends and you all start having kids, your offsprings pretty much, your wife will realize how important it is, the procreation of children, so that the generations can continue. It's something very important. And I'm sure all the male people here can understand that. You'll eventually understand that later in your life. You will. But, como siempre quiero felicitar a todas las madres.
Thank you very much.
Día de las Madres es un día muy especial y más que todo se junta toda la familia, se conviven con todos.
A ver si al rato nos tomamos
Son
una
memorias
foto.
que jamás se les olvida a uno. Y ahora mucho menos porque va a estar en YouTube.
Oye, ¿te pongo pancha y sal?
¿Mande?
¿Papa? No.
Te encargo
Estamos
de
esperando el
guacamole.
cambio.
Ahí hay guacamole.
De guacamole.
Salt. Un poquito de sal. Nomás.
Yo estoy esperando el carrito, por eso
Me limité. ¿Lo iban a estar asado?
Hopefully, you all would have a safe weekend wherever you're at around the world, and you all have a great Sunday, and God bless.